Hello all my dears. I am very happy to glad to inform about profession that is a secret creation Vastu, and it's a special opportunity to me forever. I think you all dear friends must be aware about the Vastu, right? In further, I will express in a very simple step that can be logical and practical, so you can understand in better manner. Before active a course of Vastu, firstly I will introduce myself. Chetan Kumar Patel, that is my name, Vastu and mobile numerologist expert, Asia Book of Records, holding name in Dowager from India. This is my basic details. Now much time wastage, we can go ahead. We come up the topic directly. Always people should know about the Vastu. What do you mean by Vastu? Many people are aware and some of people is not aware. Firstly, I would like to share benefits of Vastu. If apply Vastu day to day basis, we can understand what are in our life we can achieve. Firstly, I will go one by one so you can understand. Happy mind leading to health, one of the benefits. Second number wealth, third number happiness, fourth number prosperity, fifth number success in life. That means achievement. Whatever you are getting in life, whatever the your post, you may be business, you may be one of the places of services, so that can be your achievement. Friends, in other way, if not follow the people Vastu, then by luck they will get some few other things which we can read out one by one. Number one, leading to stress, tension, ill health. Fourth number, our peace of mind is destroyed. Now you came to know difference between benefits and losses, if follow the Vastu or not. I hope all dears maybe understand about few points of Vastu. What is universe? The universe is everything. It includes all of space and all the matters and energy that space contains. It even includes time itself, and of course, it includes you also. Earth and the moon are part of the universe, as are the other planets, and there are many dozens of moons. Our life totally depends on nature, and our body and life is the part of planets. Now you understand that 9 planets are active and is the part of life. So one by one we can see what are the 9 planets. So I will display name of the 9 planets, that is Sun, Moon, Mars, Mercury, Jupiter, Venus, Saturn. Two other planets, that is Rahu and Ketu. Rahu basically is the active part, that is head part of the body only, whereas Ketu is the below of head part, means without head part is Ketu. So both the planets Rahu and Ketu is a single body. 50% is Rahu and 50% is Ketu. So both the planets are is very important in our life. Further, I will tell you some important factor. I think you all are must be know and aware. The nature is the contents of 5 elements, that is water, fire, earth, air, and space. So in the whole things which human body is also part of 5 element. That means our body is made of with help of 5 element. In this slide you can focus yourself. Percentage wise you can see in the earth 72% water and 20 8% remaining part of element. By nature, you can understand in the simple way. Suppose in our body, if any element missed out or less out of 5 elements, so we will be trouble in life accordingly. The details, principle and fundamentals of 5 elements and 9 planets, how its work will be discussed separately later. Further, if you described about the Vastu, this is a correlation of 5 elements, or you can say in other way, rebalancing of 5 elements to our body is known as a Vastu, or readjustment of 5 elements in our own house according with direction is also known as Vastu. So further, we know about the direction. We have 4 direction, that is north, east, south, west. You can see the picture of all direction, how it can be derived, and you can understand in the better way. After all, you can see the picture of flats. This all can be designed and built up in according with direction. Here you can see that position of 5 element, how it can be decided in the different direction. If you see this water element is to be positioned in northeast direction, further fire is southeast direction, earth is southwest direction, air is northwest direction, and lastly space is the center part of the house, and it should be open and empty whenever house and flat is built up. Hello dear, now you can understand this all are my demo class. If you want to become a professional Vastu and your own doctor at your home, so please contact me as you wish. All the best. Thank you.